Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. So this is just really a heads up that I've had an email from Affiliation and in support of this channel and the fact that I've actually affiliated most of my spending with them, because if any of you viewers do buy any of the products that I review or build, then I get a small tiny commission. However, to support the channel, they've given me a discount code which should be going along the bottom of the screen here, and you probably hopefully above the IC station logo. But yeah, shed-ICS, 15% discount on subsequent orders at the moment by using this discount code. So enjoy that one on me, and I'll see you with some of their kits in. Well, I've actually got one in on the go here at the moment. So yeah, I'll see you shortly.